Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to check if your phone supports Saily eSIM. If you want to try Saily, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get the best available eSIM deal. It's the easiest way to set up your mobile data before traveling and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, as you can see here, my phone doesn't support eSIMs. But in the website, it shows it supports one, but there's some prerequisites, okay? So I'm going to be showing you later on. So go ahead and open up your favorite browser and then just type down Saily eSIM. Hit on find or search. Tap on Saily right here at saily.com. And scroll all the way down. Right here. Scroll down until you find get a phone number from Saily. Tap on learn more. And then just tap on device compatibility. Now look for your specific phone. For example, you have iPhone. All right. For iPhones, iPhone XR to iPhone 17 Pro Max is supported. So for example, right here, my device is Samsung Galaxy A54. Yeah. So this one is mine. So for some Samsung Galaxy A54 5Gs, it supports eSIMs. Now mine right here doesn't support one because I live in the Philippines and our phones right here doesn't normally come with eSIMs because we are given an option with 2 physical SIM cards. All right. We have a port right here, whatever you may want to call it, 2 hubs for 2 physical SIM cards. And that is why. So yours may be different. You may only have one. If your smartphone is listed in here, well, you're good to go. All right. So that's how simple it is to check if your phone supports Saily eSIM. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.